Amber Heard claims the verdict against Johnny Depp has a chilling effect on women, and calls for a new trial or reversal. Amber Heard's attorney stated about the more than $10 million in damages given to Johnny Depp that obviously the sum is excessive considering the small time period for which Depp may collect. The Johnny Depp defamation judgment was appealed by Amber Heard, who demanded a reversal or fresh trial and claimed the decision had a chilling effect on women speaking out. Heard, 36, and her new attorneys questioned the June 1 decision in a submission to the Virginia Court of Appeals on November 23. They also questioned why Virginia was chosen as the venue for the trial rather than California. Depp, 59, sued Heard over an opinion piece she wrote for The Washington Post in 2018 that failed to use his name. Virginia is where the Post's servers are situated. Depp lost his UK libel case against The Sun in November 2020 as a result of the British tabloid labeling him a wife-beater. They added, thus the trial shouldn't have gone forward. Heard testified in support of the outlet's assertions, and the London court upheld them as being basically true. His effort to overturn the judgment was rejected in March 2021. In the court papers, Heard's attorneys stated, in addition, it was wrong for the trial court to reject Heard's demur, which claimed that the contested statements are unactionable expressions of opinion and are not capable of conveying the alleged defamatory implication. If that holding is allowed to stand, other women who want to speak up about abuse involving powerful men will undoubtedly feel intimidated. Heard was judged to have defamed Johnny in her opus ed about domestic violence, and Johnny was given more than $10 million in damages at the highly publicized Virginia trial earlier this year. Heard also received $2 million for winning one of her defamation counterclaims. The damages handed to Depp obviously is excessive given the restricted time window for which Depp may recover, according to her attorneys, who said the two verdicts are in conflict with one another. In order for the jury to rule in Depp's favor, they had to come to the conclusion that Heard intentionally lied when she claimed that Depp had abused her. However, the jury must have come to the conclusion that Heard told the truth about being a victim of domestic abuse by Depp in order to find in Heard's favor. The judgment against Heard cannot stand as a result. Depp is also appealing, claiming in a document submitted last month that the counterclaim verdict was erroneous. His team argued that Depp shouldn't be held accountable for the remarks made by his lawyer. The disputed remark was made by Depp's attorney Adam Waldman to the Daily Mail on April 27, 2020, in which he claimed Heard and her associates set up Depp by reporting assault allegations to the police in 2016. The jury concluded that Waldman was representing Depp when he made the remark. Despite an emphatic favorable verdict for Depp, the legal team for the actor claimed in court documents obtained by Law and Crime Network that the trial court was confronted with a number of novel and complex legal and factual issues, and although the trial court decided the vast majority of those issues sensibly and correctly, a few rulings were erroneous. The new documents. At trial, Ms. Heard did not offer any proof that Mr. Depp had directly directed or made any of the three Waldman statements. In fact, Mr. Depp stated in court that, prior to the counterclaims filing in August 2020, he had never even seen the Waldman statements. No proof of Mr. Waldman's actual malice was shown at trial, according to Heard's legal team. While Depp's team asserted that Mr. Waldman is an independent contractor, whose purportedly tortious conduct is not automatically attributable to Mr. Depp, they demanded that the judgment be overturned. Heard changed her legal counsel for the appeal. A representative for the actress revealed in August. Ben Rottenborn replaced Elaine Charlson Bredehoft as co-counsel, and she hired Ballard Spar's David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown to take the lead. In order to defend the fundamental right to free speech, we do not view the jury's verdict as the beginning of the end, but just the end of the beginning, to paraphrase a well-known saying.